Let me give a full form of this. What do you mean by MOSFET? MOSFET means metal oxide semiconductor. You know what do you mean by FET? What is FET? Field effect transistor. I will repeat it. M for metal, O for oxide, S for semiconductor. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Now let me define you. It is an electronic device. All are electronic device only. Whenever there is a definition, just mention it. It is an electronic device. In this device, by varying the voltage, by varying the potential, you can find out, you can come to know transconductance, or you can come to know conductivity of the channel. In this device, by varying voltage, you can find out the conductivity of the channel, conductivity of the device. And this MOSFET is specially used for switching purposes. What do you mean by switch? What is the work of switch? On, off, on, off. In generally, if you make on, fan will run, they will provide you gate. And in general, tube light will on, it will give a brightness, it will give a light to you. But practically, on means, off means, on means giving a path, off means blocking the path. So MOSFET, they are used as a switches, especially for switches, and they are used for amplification purpose. What do you mean by amplification? So many times I explained it. What is amplifier? Amplification means increasing the strength of a signal. So this device can be used as an amplifier. In some electronic devices, this device can be used as an amplifier. I have given general idea also. I want to reach my voice up to there. I use a mic. In that I have a device. Transistor can be used as an amplifier. Your MOSFET can be used as an amplifier. So it is a device. By varying the voltage, you can find out the what conductivity of the channel. Conductivity means whether this device will carry the current or not. If you turn it on, current is flowing in that device. If you turn it off, there is no current. So by varying the voltage, you can find out the conductivity. Conductivity means, keep in mind the number of majority carriers. In N channel, what are the majority carriers? In P channel? Clear? Understandable? So it is specially used for switching purposes, specially used for amplification purpose. Now in MOSFET, we have two types. The first one is enhancement MOSFET, and the second one is depletion MOSFET. There are both enhancement, depletion. Now tell me, what is the spelling of increasing? N-E-N, both are similar. Say some. Tell me, say some.
Yes, sir.
Enhancement means increasing. Enhancement means increasing. Now decreasing, tell me the spelling of decreasing. How depletion you will spell? D-E-P. Dip. Both are somewhat similar. Depletion means decreasing. Clear? So enhancement means increasing, depletion means decreasing. So there are two types of MOSFET: enhancement MOSFET, depletion MOSFET. I will tell you why we are going for some enhancement. What is meant by depletion? Understandable? Now whatever the diagram we have drawn here, again in enhancement we have N channel enhancement MOSFET and we have P channel enhancement MOSFET. For your syllabus, we are having only N channel enhancement MOSFET. Don't bother about P. You are not studying about P channel. We are discussing only about N channel enhancement MOSFET, N channel depletion MOSFET. Understandable? What are the types of MOSFET? Enhancement and depletion. In enhancement, N channel and P channel. But we are not studying about P channel. We are studying about only N channel. N channel means the total substrate is made up of N type. Clear? Understandable? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen here. Now let me explain you the construction. How the device is made up. How the device is made up. Take a lightly doped p-type substrate. Like the complete rectangular box is a p-type substrate. What are the majority carriers in p-type? But I am telling lightly doped. The metal are less. It is lightly doped, means positive charge particle are less. The completely is n channel, means what are the majority carriers? Electron. I will write down more electrons. And what next step? We are diffusing n plus region on left side. One more n plus region. Diffusing means incorporating, fixing. Generally fixing. N plus here, n plus here. And this end is called as source. And this end is called as drain. This end is called as source. That end is called as drain. Right? Above this substrate, this I am marked pink line, thick line. But in generally it is thin. For a better understanding, I made it thick. So on the substrate, we are growing a SiO2 layer, silicon dioxide layer. And above this layer, we have incorporating a metal. Which metal? Aluminium metal. And this is forms a gate. This positive portion, positive particle, this end will form a gate. Understandable? Now what are the terminals? Source, gate, drain. Completely is a p-type substrate, but it is lightly doped. Lightly doped means boron and indium metals are less. N channel means pendium, arsenic metals are more. Electrons are more. Holes are less. Diffuse area N there. Source, drain. Above metal, gate. Done with the diagram, done with the construction. Understandable? This is a SiO2 layer. So that's why the another name for MOSFET is they have given IG FET. IG for insulated gate, FET is field effect transistor. Because of this reason only, there is a thin layer which we are growing, which we are incorporating, that is silicon dioxide layer. That's why it is named as insulated gate field effect transistor. Clear? Understood with the construction? Just same like JFET only. Here I am giving VGS, here I am giving VDS. Source is always positive. Source is always negative. Drain is always positive. So current will move from like this. Clear? These are the symbol for your MOSFET only, N channel MOSFET. In N channel MOSFET, current will move from gate to source. This is the arrow mark. This is the symbol. You need to remember them. Clear? Say some operation. I tell you this operation. Listen here. In order to study the operation, what I will do, focus here, concentrate here. We will ground this. What I am grounding? What is this? Substrate. I am making ground. I am giving a earthing to the substrate. And I am giving a positive voltage here. Means I am connecting a voltmeter. I am giving a supply. What supply I am giving? VGS voltage, positive voltage to the gate. Focus here. When you give a voltage, when you increase the voltage here, it sequentially generates a negative voltage at the substrate, which is between drain and source. I am giving a positive voltage at the input terminal and giving a positive voltage at the gate terminal. Sequentially, it induces a negative voltage at the substrate side. Where substrate is available? Between drain and source. So, if you do like this is plus and this is minus. Means it generates, it induces the electric field. It induces the electric field. Right? If you increase this voltage step by step, means if you increase the voltage at the gate terminal, this negative also increases. If you increase the positive voltage sequentially, parallelly, negative voltage also increases. Means what I am going to tell you is that positive charge carriers increases, negative charge carrier increases. If they are 60, even they are 60 in generally. So what do you know by this? What is mean by this? What do you mean by that? Plus minus, plus minus. Different polarities will attract with each other. Plus minus they will have accident. In general, accident recombination means majority carrier makes a current. Current increases. Understandable? I will repeat it. You are connecting a positive voltage at the gate terminal. Parallelly it induces a negative voltage, negative potential at the substrate which is available between drain and source. And you are increasing this voltage. Parallelly negative voltage also increases. What I am supposed to tell you is that majority carriers both they gonna increases, which gives rise to maximum drain current. Focus here, concentrate here. What I am doing on x-axis? I am increasing drain gauge VGS 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 25. What is your VGS? Plus 3 volt. For this case, I have a maximum drain current. For plus 2 volt, for plus VGS, I have this current. But for negative values, my drain current decreasing. That is meant by depletion. Increasing means enhancement. Understandable? So the principle behind this is the voltage at the input terminal, electric field at the gate causes a conductivity. What do you mean by conductivity? Current. We have a current when VGS is positive. When VGS is positive. When VGS is negative, there is no conductivity. That is what I said. This is a device which vary the voltage so that you can find out the conductivity of the channel. Keep in mind at gate voltage you are giving positive voltage, parallelly you are generating a negative voltage between drain and source. If you increase gate voltage, negative voltage also increases. Electric field increases. Understandable? Yes, sir. So remember the diagram and remember this. Try to remember the graph. Enhancement name, you just Google it and let me tell you. Enhancement means increasing. Depletion means decreasing. If VGS is negative, drain current definitely will decreases because that VGS is the input gate voltage.